Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Okay, back and forth energy, Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so it's like 1 minute you guys have a peace of mind about the situation, could be pertaining to this person. The next minute you don't. Maybe somebody's stressing out about their finances, but honestly I'm feeling more so it's about this other individual. And there you guys are, Capricorn. Some of you guys could be dealing with another Capricorn. But if not, I'm honestly picking up that you guys are just like fearing something here. Let's see. Clarify the devil. Temperance. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius here, but I do feel like you guys are just wanting balance in your life, but they're saying that there is a new beginning coming. I told you, I feel like something good is coming for you guys. So let's see. Clarify the Ace of Wands, please, for Capricorn. Y'all are over there like, yes. Let's see. There's a new beginning coming, but I do feel like, you know, it's just taking its time. It's moving really slow. I feel like somebody wants to say something to you guys. Maybe you want to say something to the other person, but they're just holding back for some reason. Also, guys, you know, this can go vice versa, so just take it however it fits. I do feel like this person, I feel like this person is watching you. Somebody's spying. If it's not you, Capricorn, this person is definitely keeping a close eye on you because they want this new beginning. Maybe they don't want you to, you know, stray away, start talking to someone else. Yeah. They're keeping a close eye on you because, again, they don't want you to walk away, is what I'm picking up. But I do feel like somebody walked away from the other individual here. Let's see. Clarify the Eight of Cups. I feel like somebody cut off communication. Somebody just blocked someone. So let's see what's going on. Yeah. Someone didn't have confidence in the situation, so they bounced. Y'all like, I do feel like this person wants to come in to give you an apology, though. But you're looking at the situation like I don't see it improving. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here, but there's definitely some type of imbalance in this love situation. But you guys are taking it day by day. I do feel like every day you're getting stronger here. And again, look at that, 10 of Cups. There is happiness coming. Someone, it's like you guys want to be happy with this person. This person wants to be happy with you. Or, you know, maybe you guys just want to have a fresh start. But let's see. All right, that's a lot of back and forth energy here. So I have the Fool and the Three of Cups. Okay. Let's see. Hold on a second. Let's see. Clarify the Three of Cups. I feel like it's like 1 minute you guys want to take a leap towards this person because you really do care about this person. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo as well. But on the flip side, I do feel like you guys are not taking the leap because maybe this person put you in some type of third-party situation. And at this point, you're isolating yourself from them because they hurt you. You're tired of it. Somebody's worried here. Clarify the Four of Swords for Capricorn. Somebody's worried here. I feel like somebody's throwing themselves into their work, maybe trying to get the situation off their mind. But this person could actually come back in wanting to tell you that they're ready to put in the work to fix the situation. They want a relationship with you. They want a commitment with you. Look at that. King of Pentacles. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, another Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But again, I'm telling y'all, this person wants an actual commitment. Like, they're ready. I feel like for those of you that walked away from this individual, it's like they now see, okay, what was I doing? I want him. I want her. Like, they're ready to come back and give you the commitment that you deserve. Let's see. Yeah, somebody's looking for stability here. Maybe they're coming back in wanting to offer you this commitment, and this offer has stability with it, you know? You could be dealing with an Aries, but yeah, this person is like a boss. It could be representing you, Capricorn, but honestly, I'm feeling like this person is not playing games anymore. Tell me more. Okay, so I'm gonna slide right here. King of Wands in reverse. So, hold on, y'all. Y'all know when my eyes catch something, we gotta bring it here. Okay. Y'all see there are 2 kings here. So, definitely third party situation, in my opinion. If somebody's in the middle and they were needing to make a decision, I do feel like, honestly, they did make a decision. They realized they want to be with you. And maybe, you know, again, they thought the grass was greener on the other side. I feel like the other person could have played them. And they want to approach you, but maybe they're not. Look at that. Yeah, they're in some type of codependent situation. It's a codependent situation here. Somebody was just dealing with the other person for finances, or there's some type of addiction here, but I do feel like they know that they messed up, and they want to come in to fix the situation with you. That's why now it's like they're trying to offer you the commitment that you deserve, but they're just not speaking up. I'm hearing definitely somebody got used for finances. Maybe it's this other person. Maybe they got a dose of their own medicine. They put you in a third-party situation and went off, you know, and chose this other person, and now they realize the person didn't really love or care about them. They just only wanted them for money. That's for some of y'all, but yeah. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo here, but it is asking you to have strength because there is definitely some communication coming in. It's coming in fast, Capricorn. I do feel like you guys are, you know, healing. You've been working on yourself. You're coming out of feeling like this person stabbed you in the back. So it's definitely somebody from your past, but they're moving slow. Oh, they move so slow. Taking their sweet time. Yeah. This person wants to come correct, but I feel like they just, they take forever to make a decision, and you got tired of waiting on them. And you're like, you know what, I'm out. That's why you walked. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here, but somebody's trying to have hope. But I feel like the other person, whoever messed up, this person is trying to have hope. But Capricorn, honestly, you're like, no, you left me out in the cold. I'm over it. Why should I even think about giving you another chance? Somebody could be dealing with a Libra here. I do feel like the truth is coming out if it hasn't already. Maybe they want to tell you they got out of some type of legal situation, but yeah, the truth is definitely coming out. Somebody's coming out of being frustrated here. Tell me more. But they feel like the situation isn't going to turn around. It's going to be the same old, same old. There's definitely a lot of conflict going on, but somebody has made a decision, and they're keeping quiet about it. I feel like, again, you guys may not be speaking right now, or somebody could have blocked the other person, just cut some type of communication out. But I do feel like this person wants to rush in to tell you something, but they're holding back. Or it could be a situation to where they've been trying to reach out, but y'all block this person and they can't get through. So, yeah, it's like, y'all are over it. This other person had other options, basically. They had other options. You didn't like what you were seeing with them. And at this point, it's like, you know what? On the flip side, I don't know what else to do in this situation. So it's like, I got to drop it. Yeah, but the truth is definitely coming out, guys. Clarify the Tower in reverse. Capricorn. Okay, 6 of Pentacles with the Magician. Okay, yeah, this person is y'all got people praying for y'all again. This person is trying to manifest you. They're trying to stay positive. They want to be with you bad. They want to come to rectify the situation here. They want to balance things out. They're ready to put in the work. For those that are worried about money, I feel like it's the other person, but definitely money is coming in. Oh, he's going to land on my arm. Okay. See, I told y'all they want to balance out the situation. They're ready to put in the work, because I do feel like at one point in time, Capricorn, you were the one always doing everything. Whether it was emotional support, financial support, just whatever. You were doing everything, and this person just didn't put in the fair share of work because they were so busy entertaining other people. So now that you walked away from them 100% and they understand what they did because they had time to think, and maybe this other person could have played them, now they want to come back in like, oh my God, I'm sorry, please take me back, you know, I'm gonna put in the work. Okay, yeah, y'all make them put in that work. Okay, yeah, because this person was playing around. It's like you didn't have a happy home with them at all. And guess what? At this point, y'all aren't up late at night. You guys are not worried about it. Y'all are coming out of being frustrated. Look at that. Queen of Pentacles is in reverse. Again, somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn like yourself, Taurus, or a Virgo. But at the end of the day, I told y'all not worried about it. You guys are like, you know what? I dropped this situation. I'm not putting any more time, effort, or energy into it. I'm focused on myself. We're not doing this. Y'all about to make them beg. Oh, they're about to grovel. Oh, you want me? Okay, prove it. We'll see. They're not playing with you guys. I feel like, yeah, they learned their lesson. Karma hit them. Oh, the Three of Swords tried to jump out. Yeah, karma hit them. You can't expect to do people wrong and expect positive things to just take place in your life. So, yeah, they got hit with it, but I feel like they want to move forward with you. They want to tell you that, but again, you guys are looking at them like, I don't see anything improving. I told y'all the Three of Swords were trying to come out. Yeah. There's definitely a third party. It's still some type of third party situation going on. And, you know, y'all, third party doesn't necessarily have to be another man, another woman. It could be family, friends, just career, anything. Something was just stopping or blocking this, you know, connection. But, yeah, it's still, it's like, I feel like it's still lingering. Somebody didn't really cut the other person off. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. There's a Taurus. Let me see what's going on. Tell me more. Okay. Ooh, okay. Ace of Pentacles. Alright, so you guys are embodying the Queen of Wands. I do feel like you're trying to just remain positive no matter which way the outcome will go. But at the end of the day, when you look at this person and you still feel like there's not going to be a commitment, but the universe is trying to bless you with something that you've been hoping and wishing for. It could be that this person is trying to come in, trying to give you a gift. I told y'all not playing with this person. You want me? Let's see. Well, let's see. Tell me more. Yeah, they're back and forth, though. They definitely want to come in and give you an offer, but they're scared because they feel like you guys are going to just turn it down. You're going to reject this offer because they were playing around. They hurt you, and they know they did. Let's see. Okay, yeah. I feel like this person definitely hasn't made a decision. You know, they were thinking about things that took place in the past, and they're just remembering all the times that you guys have had, and at this point, it's like they really miss you. They want to give you an offer. They want to start over. They want to build something with you now. Telling y'all, this person, whoever they, you know, they were dealing with on the side, they arguing. It was a lot of conflict. This person, like, put them through it.